So Toby, moving up to the ultimate headphone. This is the HE1.
Good Lord.
I'm thinking let's let it warm up a bit, and then let's choose a track each and have a listen. We hooked up 2 headphones to one thanks to Damien, who has his workshop just behind this door, who's the creator of all the HE1s coming out of the factory.
Ready?
Yeah. It's insane.
It's amazing. Can we go back and listen to those all again?
Yeah. Let's do it.
No, that's amazing. Yeah, like that's another thing altogether.
Yeah.
I've never heard of it.
Yeah,
like
it's a
that.
completely different. Yeah. It just opens up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we do another record, or should we just?
Yeah, I'd really like to.
Yeah.
I'd really like to listen to that back. Get one again, because that's like a real benchmark tune for me. If that's all right with you. Okay.
Ooh, let's do it.
Going in.
Yeah, go in.
Woke up this morning.
What can you say about that? It's incredible.
It's amazing. Yeah.
It is amazing. Like, yeah, I'm glad it's amazing.
Yeah. And I'm glad that we finished off with these.
Yeah, right.
But also we wouldn't get on with the other ones.
Yeah, that would have been a tough one if we started with them. Like,
Yeah.
oh my goodness me. Like space, warmth, clarity. Like never heard anything
Just
like it.
very enjoyable.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
I don't know how many more ways we can describe that.
Cool. But thank you for joining me here.
Oh, what a treat.
In the listening room, in Sennheiser's listening room here in Tullamore. It has been a pleasure having you here, Toby.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for bringing all your records and your record player and just sharing this experience also with me. It's been amazing.
What a privilege. Yeah, amazing. Thank you.
Cool. See you next time.